Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Karen and welcome to our Irish family. So today I'm going to be sharing with you a Thai declutter, a Thai purge. It's come to that time of year again where we need to be getting rid of the old toys that our children don't play with in order to make room for the new toys that they're probably going to be receiving around the Christmas season. So that is what today's video is going to be. I've done this a number of times. I will have those videos linked below in the description if you're interested. I do want to say that I have a blog, ourishfamily.com is my blog, and I'd love if you go over there and check it out. And I also have an Instagram, a Facebook and a Twitter, and I would love if you come and follow me on those platforms too. But without further ado, let's jump in and see how we get on. So this is the area that has Ava's toys in her room. So you can see I've just left it messy as it was. She just finished playing with it. So I'm going to go through all of these. There's also a small area over here. So I just close the door. In here, these two bottom ones, these are also some puzzles and some bits and pieces here as well that I'm going to sort through. But I basically just want to go through the drawers, so because there's a lot of stuff in here that's kind of like broken and she just doesn't really use it. So that is what I'm going to be doing because, you know, Christmas is coming up and we won't need half of this stuff.
Should I get up and run? Stop dead right before it had begun. I was the morning dove, and you were the hope chasing me through the air. You loved like you didn't care. Different kind, a different kind of love. A different kind, a different kind of love. A different kind, a different kind of love. A different kind, a different kind of. Nothing's easy, nothing ever is, but some love is haunted from the start. From the get-go to the final blow, yeah, you've got a different kind of heart. You were a merry-go-round, I was the fire that burned you to the ground. We love like we don't care. Different kind, a different kind of love. A different kind, a different kind of love. A different kind, a different kind of love. A different kind, a different kind of such a different kind of a different kind of such a different kind of. When I met you, when we started off, it sure was a different kind of love. Should I get up? Should I get up and run? Stop dead right before it had begun. I was the morning dove, and you were the heart chasing me through the air.
So these are the things that we're going to be, most of it is going to be donated, and then some of it is just kind of, it's gone past its sell by date. So we have these like little stackers. We have 2 sets of those. This little ring. Then like a plastic tea set. Just some like bat toys. This is probably going to go into the bin because the rest of the pieces aren't there. These little stamps. This, so you like press the button. Ava just doesn't seem to have taken to that at all. So this will probably go into the bin because it's been chewed lots. Sophie. This, the little 2-in-1 leap touch. So she doesn't play with this anymore. A couple of books here as well. They'll be donated. A puppet, little hand puppet. These 2 bits are little scraps, and then we have this, so I'll just clean this off. So it's like a Crayola. If you draw on it, it kind of goes in tune with how fast you're drawing. But again, she just doesn't like to play with it. So we will give it into the charity shop, and then hopefully someone will pick it up that will play with it. So that is everything. And then we have this area looking a little bit better. These things have to go somewhere else. And then this area here. So I've brought all of her toys that she has remaining here, and then we will have to do something with our teddies. I'm thinking I'll hang them on the back of her door here at some stage, because she does have a lot of teddies now that she likes to play with. So that's it, guys. That is today's video. There was only a little number of things that I was getting rid of, and I have donated all of those to the charity shops. Just, you know, just because there's no point in throwing them out. Most of them were in pretty good condition, so the best thing to do was to donate them. I would love if you subscribe to my channel. If you are new here and if you haven't subscribed already, I would love if you subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it. And as I said at the start, I do have an Instagram, a Facebook and a Twitter, and I would love if you follow me on those platforms, just, you know, to see how I get on a day-to-day basis. So that's it, guys. I'll talk to you very soon. Bye.